Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Leslie Malabad. I'm from Calamagan, Calcutta, Cagayan Valley. I'm 37 years old. I'm single. I have 3 kids, ages 16, 12, and 8. I'm a school graduate. My hobbies is cooking, cleaning, and also gardening. I work as a domestic helper here in Philippines. I serve a 1 couple and 2 children, ages 4 and 6 years old. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to sustain the needs of my family, also the future of my kids. I will take good care, and also elder babies, and I can do and toddler. The things that I can do is love to them and serve as my family. To my dear employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to go finish my contract and to go serve you. Thank you and looking forward to work easily. God bless. Ano na kaya